Hi, good morning students. Welcome to our channel. So today we are going to see one grammar part in English. So that is called article. Okay. So article is very important to use in English. Okay. And then when we are going to write a word, okay, or words, so that time we are going to take the help of articles. So here articles are demonstrative adjectives. Okay, so we want to call them. So articles are demonstrative adjectives. For the article, so there is a definition. Okay, so now we are going to see that one. Article is a word to use before a noun to show a particular person or thing or place or animal. Okay, he is called article. So in this definition, we are going to see article is a word. Look at that. So here we will take the article. So a and the. Okay, there are three articles. So that's why here. So article is a word. A is also a word. Okay, it means the one. An is also a word. So that means the one. The is also word. Okay, so that's why article is a word. To use before, it means we have to use the article before a noun, not before pronoun. We have to use a article before a noun. Okay, so here to show a particular person. Okay, so that article is going to show a particular person or thing or place or animal. Okay, so that is singular or plural, like that. It is going to show a particular person or thing or place or animal. Okay, so this is the definition of article. Okay, have understood this one? Yes. So there are two types of articles. Okay, so there are two types of articles. One, indefinite article. Okay, another one is the second one, definite article. So in the indefinite article, again we will divide two. Okay, so that is the one is a, another one is an. Okay, in the definite article we want to see, so that is the or the. We are going to pronounce differently. Okay, so if there is vowel sound, okay, so we'll see that one later. Okay, but here, so that is the definite article the. Okay, so now we are going to see the first type, so that is the indefinite article a. Okay, the first one I'm going to take a. So we are going to use a, so that is the indefinite article. Okay, so like that we are going to see the first one, indefinite article a. So listen this one. A is an article. Look at that. To use before a singular noun. Okay, to use before a singular noun, or in bracket, so that is the number. Okay, so which begins with a consonant sound. Look at this one. So once I will repeat this these lines. A is an article to use before a singular noun which begins with a consonant sound. Okay, so the word is in singular, that especially that is noun. Okay, that a person or thing or place or animal, like that. So that is a singular, and also so that noun, okay, so begins with a consonant sound. Okay, so there only we are going to use article a, so that is indefinite article a. Have understood this one? So now we will move to the examples. Okay, so just here I am going to list out just only 10 examples. So just all of you observe this one. Okay, so here a car. Look at that. Car sound is there. Car. Okay, so a car. We want to pronounce a or a. Okay, so a car or a car, like that. So the first one here, a car, a gate, a chair. Look at there. And then a man, a room. Okay, and then a plate, a European, a unit, a university. Okay, a letter, a subject. Okay, so like that we want to use a lot of examples for this indefinite article a. Have understood this one? Yes. I will come to the next one. So another one indefinite article is there, so that is called an. Okay, so an is an article to use before a singular noun. Look at that. An is an article to use before a singular noun which begins with a vowel sound. Look at that. So in the a article, okay, so begins with a consonant sound. Okay, so there only we want to use A article, but here, so there is vowel sound. Okay, so vowel sound, not the vowel. Okay, if there is vowel or not, but the sound is important here. Okay, an is an article to use before a singular noun. Okay, so that is also singular like a, but which begins with a vowel sound. So here vowel sound, a, e, I, o, u, a, e, I, o, u. So these 5 are vowels. Another 21. So they are consonants. Okay, so if you are going to find out so the vowels and then vowel sound, definitely you will write the correct article. Okay, so before a noun, so that is a singular noun. So now, so we are going to see the examples for this. Okay, so here the first one, an hour. Look at that, H-O-U-R, hour. So here H is there, even though we are going to use a sound is there, so that's why an hour. An artist. Okay, an artist. An inch, an eagle, an apple, an FDA officer. Look at that, FDA officer. Okay, and then an ox, an owl. Okay, and an LIC agent. Okay, an NCC cadet. Like that, we are going to use the different examples for this article. Okay, I understood. These are all the examples for articles. Okay, so that is indefinite articles. So that is a and an. I've understood these two. Now we'll move to the another one. So that is called the definite article. So which is the definite article here? So that is the or the. Okay, so here the definite article the used for many purposes. Look at that. We have to use the article the, so there is only one. Okay, so that one used for many purposes. ಹಲವಾರು ಉದ್ದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ದ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ದಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, so here we want to see the examples. It means where we want to use the article the. So when it is referred to a particular thing, look at that. So when that word, it means that noun, okay, so is referred to a particular thing, ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಅದು ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ದ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದ ಕೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ, okay, so that is the school bag, that is the college bag, that is the market bag. Okay, so like that we want to take, so that is the particular thing. So that's why here the example the school bag. And then the dining table, look at the table. So there are so many types of table. Okay, so reading table, writing table, okay, dining table, like that. Okay, and then room, it means the reading room. Look at that. So that is only for the purpose of reading. So that's why I'm going to take that one, reading room. You understood? So I'll come to the next one, second one. When referred to unique things. So here unique means only one in the world. It means only one thing in the world. Okay, for example, the sun, S-U-N, not S-Y-N, the sun, the God, the earth, the moon. Okay, and then the Taj Mahal, look at that, only one thing. Okay, so like that we are going to use the article. And then I'll come to the next one, third one. Before superlative degrees, before superlative degree. Okay, so example, the smallest, the tallest, the greatest, the best. Okay, so like that we are going to use before the superlative degree. And also we are going to use the most, okay, the most beautiful, like that. Okay, so I'll come to the fourth one. Before common nouns, look at that. Before common nouns, we are going to call them the commonly. So for example, we don't know the doctor, she or he, we want to call that is the common. Okay, so that's why I want to use the doctor. And then the chief minister, the prime minister, the principal. Okay, so like that we are going to use the. Okay, so I'll come to the next one, the fifth one. Before natural things, Look at there, natural things. Natural means the hill, the forest, okay, the mountain. So like that we are going to use, okay, so the article. And then sixth one, important book names. It means the before the important book names. It means the very important book names. Okay, so for example, the Bible, okay, and then the Quran, the Mahabharat, the Ramayana. Like that we are going to use, okay, so before very important book names. So these are all the things are examples for article. It means the definite article the. Have understood? Yes. So and then we are going to get another one information, so that is extra information where we are not going to use articles, that is a or an or the. So this is very important for you. Okay, so those who are going to use English their daily purposes, or those who are going to write English for them. Okay, so all of you subscribe my channel and then watch more videos about grammar and then lessons of your